Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a Razorpay subscription, guys. So I'm going to show you three things, okay? So how do you actually, let's say you want to pause your subscription. You want to use it at a later date, but at the moment you want to pause it. You just log in to your Razorpay dashboard, just click on subscriptions under the payment products in the left menu. So here in the left menu, under payment products, you want to click on subscriptions, and then just click on the subscription ID which you want to pause. All right, and just click on pause subscription and your subscriptions immediately pause. You just click yes, pause. And once you've paused it, later on, if you want to, let's say, resume it, just go do the same thing again. Okay, log into the Razorpay dashboard. Again, under payment products in the menu here, you want to click on subscriptions, select the subscription ID you want to resume, and just click on resume subscription, okay? And the subscription is actually resumed immediately. You just click on yes, resume. Now, this is the third thing I want to show you. How to cancel a subscription. You don't want it at all. If you don't want a subscription at all, you can cancel it immediately or at the end of the billing cycle, and you'll still be able to use it. If you cancel it immediately, use it until the next billing cycle. Now, you do the same thing, guys. So you log into the Razorpay dashboard. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a menu. Now, under payment products, you're going to click on subscriptions, click on the subscription ID one, and just click on cancel subscription, guys. And then they'll give you option to either cancel it immediately or at the end of the current billing cycle. And then just choose your option. Click yes, cancel. Literally that is simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit the like button, comment.